Here, oh, the Kim Nang Superfoods.
Where Kingdom?
Yeah, the blue one.
See? So this is Kingdom's home.
Hi guys! So, nandito kami sa Kim Nang. It's a Vietnamese store dito sa may, Michigan. Ayan. So, first time namin dito. So, yan. We'll see lang kasi maraming mga Pinoy na nagsabi sa amin na marami daw dito mga Pinoy products. So, yun. We're excited to see around. Mga dalawa lang. Magkano upo?
190 per pound.
190 per pound. Ano yung nakita mo, Papa?
Kutsinta.
Kutsinta, guys. Kutsinta. Kaya pala, ayan.
$8.
$8?
Oo.
$8?
Oo.
$8.
$8.
Tapos ang ube, 12. What's this? This is matcha.
Oh, may sapin-sapin.
Matcha ube. May sapin-sapin. Philippine cheese roll, Papa. 11. Oh, let's try. Philippine cheese roll. Tapos, ube pandesal. $8.50. Ayan. Mga ube pandesal. Ito yung mga ube. Twisted ube bread. $10. Spanish bread. $12. Sapin-sapin. Walang sapin-sapin. Walang sapin-sapin. Uy, buko pandan. Umaga Bakehouse. Sapin-sapin sana hinanap namin. Guys, gusto namin ng tinapay kasi hindi kami makabili-bili. Napakamahal. Ayan, pandikoko $8. Tapos, yan is how much? Mga $4. So, yun. Spanish bread. Spanish rolls. Yan. $8 din. So, masasarap naman siya, guys. Sadyang mahal lang. Ellie, what are you holding? What's puto cheese? Who got this one? Kamote. Magkano ang kamote?
$2.49.
It's magkano?
$2.49 per pound.
Japanese sweet potato. So, American yam. Itong, ang daming kamote, guys. 3, nakakalito. So, yan na lang. Is the New Zealand. Papa, ito tilapia. Lobster, $14.99. Kuya, live crabs. Blue, ano ba to? Blue crab. Ay, blue crab. You want, Kuya? Oh yeah, they are moving.
How do you get it? Because they can
Saluyot.
because they can only live in water.
Yeah, wait. I want to know
Mom,
if
are
this is
the
saluyot.
crabs sweet?
Guys, bumili ako ng saluyot. Mukha naman siyang saluyot.
And the big onion.
Yeah. And the onion. Magkano ang labong? Yeah, $2.69. So, plus tax pa yan.
Tama na
Isa
isa.
lang, oo. Yan, first time namin kakain ng labong dito sa Amerika. Ayan. So, labong, Kuya, labong. Toge. Nakita na rin ako ng may mura. Toge 99 cents.
Mama, look.
What? Señorita.
That's banana. Mini
Elberry's.
banana.
Yeah. And
Mama,
how much
I
is
want
it?
mini banana.
So that's Thai banana. In the Philippines, we call it senyorita.
Ayla?
Tokwa. Gusto namin guys yung firm para maganda hiwain. At iprito. Tokwa. Magkano yung tokwa? $3. Will you get? Ito, 6 na piraso. So guys, na-miss namin yung mogu-mogu. So we would like to buy. Ito, gusto mo mangga? Mangga ba to? So walang mangga guys. So ito na lang. Pink guava. Papa, pink guava na lang. So 6 pieces for $6.
It's milk. That's why it's big.
Papa, the calpico, your favorite. You want?
May juice pa dun eh. Eh, go down, go down.
The strawberry. Yeah, the strawberry. Kuya, look oh. Philippine dried mango. $2.50. Milkita. Milkita, sa Philippines ba din ba to? Ah, from USA. Kuya, what's this? Soy milk. Put back, we don't need. How much is it though? $4. Papa, ito yung noodles. What's that? Yeah, smiley. Guys, sabi ko kay Papa Mike, ayan, pho. Ayan, pho. Sa iba naman sa akin, pho. Alam mo ba yung pho? Ano, Papa? Alam ko kaya yung pho, Vietnamese noodles. Oh. Ito yung mga natin, guys. Mga products natin, ginataang munggo. Yan. $2.30. Oh, goto. Ube. Noodles. Yeah, noodles. Lucky me. You know that's from the Philippines? No? Yeah?
Why lucky me?
Oh, you ask
this
Papa.
noodles?
You ask Papa. So, ube champurrado, $1.80. Chicken sotanghon, $1.89. Tapos yung mga ginataan. Ayan, $2. Tapos, Sapporo, Ichiban. Shout out to my friends in Japan, kay Lyra and Yoshida. Yun lang, wala lang. Nalala ko lang kayo kasi merong Sapporo Ichiban noodles dito. Ayan. What's that? So who's that for?
You, because it's smaller. Oh, that noodles is for you.
No. Put back. Ano yan, Papa?
Say we can buy it?
Vegetarian instant ramen noodle.
Vegetarian. Masarap ba yan? Kuha ka vegetarian. Hindi masarap.
Buy this?
Bibili mo yan, Ichiban? Mas mababa ang calories. Ayun, yung palabok ay aming kukunin. There's palabok. Dalawa, Papa. How much? $2 isa. So, syempre, ang aming laging niluluto. Ang excellent. But the price, it's not so. But it's expensive. But it's nice. The taste is excellent. Ayun na yung mamasitas. Ang aming laging hinahanap. So, sinigang sa sampalok. Dalawa. Wala tayong kangkong. Pero magkakaroon tayo ng radish. Tsaka kahit radish lang siguro pwede na.
Dalawa pa dun, diba?
Tsaka sigarilyas. O, hindi ko alam kung ilan. Pero may natira pa. Baka isa na lang yun. So, palabok magkano yan? So, ang naman, ang average naman ni Mama Sita is $1 to $1.50 per piece. Mas mura si Nor, Papa. Pero mas kaunti din yung grams niya. Ano yan, Papa? Ha? Wala yung mga dulong ganon. Mga dilis. Ayun guys, ang kangkong. Mukhang kangkong. So, $3.30. At kukuha ko ng bok choy. Yan, baby bok choy. $2.89. Daikon. Yeah. 79. Kuha ko isa. And guys, tas kukuha ko ng papaya. Papaya nila is how much? 99 cents. So baka ito na lang kunin ko. Ay, may tama. This one na lang mas maayos. Okay. Guys, nakita ko si Papa Mike, lumalawit na yung leeg. Hinahanap na ako. O, ayan. So, ito yung nakuha ko, Papa. Ano yung hinahanap mo? Oy, kunin mo to. Yeah, but we don't need. Guys, yung mga buttercream, sunflower crackers. Yan. $2. Skyflakes, $3.29. Oh, yung mga Skyflakes, nice.
Mama, this one.
How about Skyflakes? Don't you miss Skyflakes? Choco Crunchies. Ito, paborito din namin to dati ni Papa Mike sa Pinas. Nice. A. Hey, Samuel and Ellie, don't play with it. Ellie, what's that? What?
With Auntie wonderful cookies.
Put that back na, kuya.
It's chocolate paper. Chocolate paper.
Oh, what's this? Can I see? What is this? Is it yummy?
Yeah. That's all flavors. Look. Look, this
How
my
much is it?
favorite flavor.
How much is it? Ay, $8.50.
Yeah.
Expensive. Put back.
Everything. Okay.
Yeah. Guys, may San Miguel beer. Ayan. $55.
Mama, is it this one?
Yes. And his back. What did you buy?
Sure.
Sardinas.
Oh no.
Century tuna. Tsaka ano yan?
Sharon.
Chicharon. Tapos
Siguro kunin ko ito, hanap pang salad. Secret. Kaya isa. $3.79. Isa. Dalawa.
Hoy, ube. $3.30. Puto mix. $5. Calamansi juice. $11.15. Yeah. Kuha kami ng dalawa. O, yung Old Town sa Singapore. Sa Singapore nga ba ito gawa? May Bear brand. $15.50. Dumplings. Ayan. Ang aming paboritong brand, Bibigo. Chicken lumpia. Kuha kami lumpia. Ako lumpia. $16. Magnolia ice cream. Meron pala din dito. $12.50. Yan. So, avocado. Buko pandan. Buko, yes. What's that? What's that, Ellie? Hot dog. You like it?
Yeah.
Fish ball. Naghanap ako guys nung nung squid ball sana. Umikot na ako, wala. So, fish ball na lang para pag nagpansit kami.
Is it cold here?
Yeah. So, guys, ito yung pinamili namin sa dito. So, magkano tingin mo, Papa?
I want
200.
200. Guys, ang galing ni Papa Mike. Sabi niya kanya $200. So, ayan ang ano. 206.
Mama, now to pay for now. Oh, this one.
Now,